Oh, say, can you see? Ouch. 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 Give poo to the night. Hey guys, we're gonna start with the hair. I'm not naked. I feel like I always need to say that. Don't know why. That our flag was still there. This little creature decided to join us on today's video, so we're just gonna cover it up first. For the land of the free. This hairspray smells so good. And the home of the brave. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another video. Welcome to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is in collaboration with makeup.com. I collaborate with makeup.com all the time to bring you guys some really, really awesome looks, and then they write a beautiful, amazing article on it. So make sure to check out that article down below in the description. Coffee! So this look I actually did a couple years ago. I think it was about 3 years ago, which blows my mind, you guys, blows my mind. But I did this look for Halloween with a couple of my best friends, and we all did this like army makeup, and I wanted to recreate my makeup because it did so well on YouTube. You guys really, really enjoyed it. I did kind of like a lesser version of it, and I wanted to do more of like my pinup style that I actually wore out that year. So all of that stuff will be linked down below. I'll show you. I probably already did show you some pictures. Here's a picture. But I loved that look, and it was so cute. I wore these like Timberland like heels with it, some jeans, and a cute like crop top, and I love the way that it turned out. And to be honest with you, if I had someone, I'd have them help me with doing my back, and then we'd really be army, you know? If you'd like to learn how I did this, then please keep on watching. And side note, if you wear this for Halloween, please make sure to tag me because I love this look and I want to see you guys recreate it. Keep watching. Alright guys, we're starting off with this Charlotte Tilbury Illuminating Face Primer, and then we are going to be using a primer that's going to help us fill in our lines and pores from Tatcha. It's the Silk Primer. We're then going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX. Yes, I know it was a little too yellow, but we made it work. When do I ever match foundation anyway? I'm going to be applying the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in all of my highlight areas and blending that out. And then of course we're going to set everything with some powder. And I use the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. Once we set everything, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 4. And then I'm setting them with the brow setter. Then we're going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm. And then I'm jumping over to some blush. I'm putting on this Peachy Bare Minerals blush on the apples of my cheeks. Before I apply highlighter, I'm using the Rebound setting spray from Urban Decay, and then I'm applying an Artist Couture highlighter, which you will see later on. For the eyes, I'm using a Maybelline in the City palette, or the City Mini palette, and I'm just blending the lighter brown in the crease and then the darker brown on the outer part of my eye. I really wanted this to be a very classic clean makeup, so I went ahead and did a cut crease on the inner half of the eye, and we're gonna make it nice and shimmery and pretty. We're gonna do a winged liner, which you guys know I don't ever do. And here's the highlighter that I used on my face from Artist Couture. It's super, super pretty. I put that on the center of the lid, and then I added some of MAC's Soft and Gentle highlighter to the inner corners. I use the Tarte So Fine liner to give me a very perfect line, and I also use the Solazzi gel liner as well. For mascara, I'm using the YSL Beauty mascara. We're just going to apply a coat to our lashes. And then for lashes, I'm using this Luxe Collection lashes from Vegas Nay and Eylure. For lips, I'm applying a deep red lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury and then an Ofra liquid lipstick on the outer parts of my lips. And then for the inner part of my lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in the center. So pretty. I decided to use my brow pencil on two parts of my face where I had pimples because, you know, why not? So before I jumped into the army part, these are all the palettes I'm going to be using to create the greens. I just wanted a bunch of different greens and browns to create the army. I showed you guys the look when it was completely done, so you can leave it like that or you can move on. I decided to move on because we wanted something more exciting. So I went ahead and I just took a beauty blender and a really fluffy brush and I just put the green and the brown everywhere and applied a little bit of glitter on top. There really was nothing special to this, you guys. It was really just super, super random. You can be a little more precise with your army print and draw out the little army shapes if you want to, but I kind of wanted it all blended into each other, and then we just add some glitter. And a couple ways to add glitter on to keep it on would just be using some hairspray, and it'll stay on for most of the night. And that's it, you guys. Saluting to you. Thanks for watching. We are all finished. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recreation and this look. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. You don't have to put the glitter. You don't have to wear a red lip. You don't have to do your hair like this. You can kind of make it your own, but I really love the way that this came out. It's like Marilyn Monroe meets Army Girl meets Pinup meets like 2018. Make sure to tag me in all of your recreations, and of course, as always, make sure to subscribe to me right here. Click that notification bell, ding, so you don't miss out on any of my videos this holiday season. Yeah, this holiday season. I know, it starts now. It's October. It's fun. October's crazy. And of course, as always, make sure to check out all of my other Halloween videos and all the other stuff going on my channel. Thanks guys so much for watching. Sayonara. See you later.